Namaste everyone and welcome back to Revive Nutrition. I have seen many of the people who are on the weight loss journey. They say, I don't eat oil, I don't eat ghee at all. I avoid butter, cheese. In fact, I'm having an oil-free, fat-free foods. But I'm still struggling to achieve my result. But I'm still struggling to achieve my weight loss goal. Do you really think that the fat is only the culprit behind those flabby abdomens, shapeless hips, double chin, or overall fat in the body? Well, yes, overuse of fat or too much amount of the fat in the body, consumption of too much amount of fat is definitely going to make you put on weight. But at the same time, there are certain other mistakes which we do during the weight loss journey that we are sometimes unaware of, and that is why we struggle to achieve our results. So today in this video, we'll be discussing such 5 mistakes which we do during the weight loss journey and struggle to achieve the results. Number 1 is cutting down all the fats. This is the biggest mistake which we do to achieve the weight loss. Fat is an important macronutrient in the body and is responsible for many vital functions in the body. So if your consumption of the fat in fact help you to reduce your fat from the body. But what kind of fat you use, that matters. So choose good fats over the bad fats. Definitely you avoid fried foods, oily foods, too much of butter, cheese, but go for more of good fats like nuts, seeds, groundnuts, flax seeds, avocado, pure cow ghee. You can opt for these fats which will help you to reduce your fat from your body. Number 2 is sleep deprivation, lack of sleep. Yes, sleep is the most important natural drug we have for better health. It's a natural drug for better health. So if you are sleep deprived or if you are not focusing on getting good sleep, what will happen is you will feel lethargic, you will skip workout. You will crave for more stimulant rich foods like tea, coffee, high sugar rich foods like cakes, chocolates and all that. And these foods will definitely make you to put on fat. Yeah. So make sure you are having a good sleep. If you are doing a very well diet and exercise, spending too much time on exercise, but if your sleep is improper, the results will be hampered. So focus on having a good deep sleep of 7 to 8 hours. Number 3 is invisible fats. Sometimes we are very much aware and conscious of not having too much of oily foods or fried foods or butter rich foods, but somehow we are adding invisible fats to our body in the form of biscuit, cakes, cookies, creams, ice cream, chocolates, cream rolls. So we are unaware of, and also packaged foods. We go for a low calorie foods, we go for a low fat foods, but check if it is really low fat or a low calorie. It has a lot amount of sugar, it has a lot amount of carbs, it has a lot amount of sodium, which will again help, which will make you to struggle with your weight loss again. So check on these foods also. Number 4 is heavy dinner. Yes, dinner is the most important meal for most of the Indians. It is in fact a family time. That is why many people have a complete meal during the dinner along with your family. Well, it's a good thing to spend time with your family, but not at the cost of your health. During dinner time or post sunset, the metabolism of the body slows down. The body is already in the resting mode. So if you are having a too much amount of food or adding too much of carbs, what will happen is that excess carbs will deposit as a fat in the body, and that will increase your waistline. That will make you to put on fat. Yeah, so keep a check on your dinner. Choose your foods wisely in the dinner or try to have a early dinner. Go for a more protein rich and a fiber rich foods in the dinner. And last but not the least is stress. Stress we all aware of, and sometimes we feel that stress is the part and parcel of life, which is somewhat true also. But long-term stress or a chronic stress will keep your cortisol hormone always on the peak, and that will make you to crave for sugar rich foods, for high sugary foods, high carb rich foods. And if you end up eating such foods, you are definitely going to increase your waistline. Yeah. So be conscious of that. Try to do activities which will help you to reduce your stress, or try to avoid food when you are having too much of stress. Yeah. So these are the 5 most important mistakes which we do during the weight loss journey, and we feel that we are not getting the result. So apart from your regular routine, make sure that you are avoiding all these mistakes also. And also, if you need, take a guidance of an expert, health expert, who will guide you on the right path to achieve the results faster and better. Yeah. So till our next video, have a great day ahead. Eat smart, exercise enough, and sleep deep. Thank you so much.